Check this out, guys. This is a 1967 Buick GS400 convertible. This is a really nice car. This car was restored in 2012 and is believed to have about 10,000 miles on the restoration since it was completed. It does have a lot of cool options on it. Highly optioned car. We have paperwork on the engine. It is a 455 under the hood, not a 400, with paperwork and dyno sheets, which is really cool to have with it. It looks like a 400, but packs an extra punch, which you'll see when we pop the hood and fire it up for you. So I'm gonna hop in, fire it up, show you the power top and the power window operation. Really nice dash. Stock factory style steering wheel. Really crisp startup. So we got some aftermarket gauges down here. We got temperature, volt, and oil. Very good oil pressure. So the top, we're gonna and then it's this button that says accessory. Down as expected. This is a power window equipped vehicle, and the power windows work really well. Check this out. Go up and down really fast. Very fast. Find the right switch here for the back one. Goes down fast also. This is a factory air car. We got wipers. Sounds really nice. Do have a retro style radio with some nice Kenwood speakers in the kick panels there. It's a nice addition. GS400 called out just about everywhere. You have some original manuals. And in the pocket here in the glove box, we have the warranty card, which is awesome to see. Hardly ever do you get those with these old cars. They're usually long gone. The VIN number, really clean door jamb. Lovely paint color. Bear with me while I get this hood open. Well, hang on. There you have it. There is your upgraded to a 455 cubic inch Buick V8 engine. Still retains the 400 call out on the valve covers, so it keeps its stock-ish appearance. Does have an Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold. Motor sounds nice and tight. Lifters sound really good on this engine. It has been upgraded to a heavy-duty aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Obviously you have power steering, power front disc brakes, factory air conditioning, which does operate. I'm gonna turn it on so you can see the AC compressor clutch turn on. Starting to blow cold in here. Turn it off. This one slides really nice and easy. This one has a little resistance to it, but still operates like you'd expect. Very, very clean and tidy engine bay. Still retains the original insulation. Has been some touch-up done right there. Paint body overall is excellent, very straight, very nice gaps on the hood, doors, and trunk. Convertible top fits really well. Love that dual exhaust. There's a little bit of paint damage underneath this body line on the front here. Keep that in mind right there. Hard to see unless you get down right on it. So if you're interested in this Buick GS400 or have any more questions, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Well, about 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. You can see how clean and tidy and neat it is on the underside of this car. It's beautiful. And if you want to find out the asking price, the link to this vehicle is in the description. Just scroll down, click on the link. It'll take you right there to the price and all the photos. And if you still have any more questions, please don't hesitate to call. Thanks.